In today's video, we'll discuss why your headlight is flickering and how to fix it. Flickering headlights can compromise safety on the road and typically result from a bad connection, failing battery, or malfunctioning alternator. But here's how to resolve the issue. First, consider the battery. The battery powers your vehicle and its parts, including the headlights. If it's failing, it won't supply enough power, causing the headlights to flicker. Take your vehicle for inspection to determine if the battery needs replacing. A professional can diagnose and replace it if necessary. If the battery is not the problem, check the wires. Wires transport electricity from the power source to the headlights, ensuring sufficient power reaches them. Inspect for any loose connections and tighten them. Replace any corroded or damaged wires to fix flickering caused by a bad connection. Lastly, consider the alternator. The alternator charges the battery, and if it fails, it won't function properly, potentially causing flickering headlights. Have a qualified technician inspect the alternator. They can repair or replace it if needed. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.